Rainbow Hands.
Now, magic time. 1, 2, 3.
Ho, ho, ho!
Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we're going to draw Santa, Snowman, and Christmas tree. First, let's draw a Christmas tree. Next, let's draw Santa. Now, let's draw a snowman. Next, let's draw the presents. Now, let's draw the lights. Last, let's draw the falling snow. Now let's make all the lines thick and clean. Go over the lines slowly. Nice and clean. It's coloring time. Red. Let's color it red. Orange. Let's color it orange. Yellow. Let's color it yellow. Green. Let's color it green. Blue. Let's color it blue. Purple. Let's color it purple. Pink. Let's color it pink. Peach. Let's color it peach. White. Let's color it white. Brown. Let's color it brown. Everything looks so beautiful. Great coloring. Now it's magic time. 1, 2, 3.
Ho, ho, ho.
It looks amazing! You did a great job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends!